Welcome back to Runman Records Design. Today we show you studio apartment design ideas. Designing a studio apartment requires creative thinking and strategic planning to make the most of limited space without compromising on style and functionality. In this video, we will explore a range of innovative design ideas and practical solutions to help you transform your compact living space into a comfortable and stylish oasis. From space-saving furniture options to clever storage solutions and tips for maximizing natural light. Discover how to make the most of every square foot in your studio apartment while reflecting your personal style and creating distinct living areas within an open layout. Maximizing natural light in a studio apartment. Sheer curtains and light filtering blinds. Let the sunshine in without compromising your privacy or your Instagram-worthy aesthetic. Mirrors and glass decor elements. Reflective surfaces not only bounce light around but also make your apartment feel bigger, kinda like a fun house, but chic. Creating defined living areas in an open space. Furniture arrangement techniques. Arranging your furniture to create flow and separation can make your studio feel like a multi-room home, minus the pesky walls. Utilizing vertical space with floor-to-ceiling shelving. When in doubt, build up. Floor-to-ceiling shelves not only provide ample storage, but also draw the eye upward, making your space feel taller. Dual-purpose furniture with built-in storage. Furniture that pulls double duty is a studio dweller's best friend. Ottoman with a hidden compartment. Yes, please. Utilizing multifunctional decor and accessories. Convertible coffee tables and ottoman storage. Why settle for a regular coffee table when you can have one that transforms into a dining table or provides hidden storage space? Ottoman storage also serves as a seating option while keeping your belongings out of sight. Foldable dining tables and hidden kitchen gadgets. Foldable dining tables are perfect for small spaces, offering a functional eating area that can be tucked away when not needed. Consider hidden kitchen gadgets to keep your countertops clutter-free. Enhancing visual appeal with color and texture. Use of light colors to open up space. Opt for light colors like soft blues or pastel pinks to create the illusion of a vivid, brighter space. Light hues reflect natural light and make your studio apartment feel more spacious. Textured throws and pillows for depth. Add depth and coziness to your space with textured throws and pillows. Mix and match different textures like fox, fur, or knit to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Accent walls or statement pieces for visual interest. Make a statement with an accent wall painted in a bold color or adorned with removable wallpaper. Showcase your personality with statement pieces like a vibrant rug or eye-catching artwork. Friends, thank you very much for watching. I hope these design ideas for your studio apartment will be useful for you. You watched the channel about design and decor. Runman Records Design.